Alam mo, every year ay dumarating ang Holy Week. Tahimik ang kalsada, sarado ang ibang tindahan, may mga nagfa-fasting, meron din namang iba na nagpipinitensya. Pero tanong ko lang, ano ba talaga ang nangyari? Alam mo ba talaga kung ano ang nangyari? Kasi kung tradisyon lang ito, then we missed it. We missed the big picture. Hindi namatay si Jesus para lang magkaroon tayo ng long weekend, ng holiday. He stepped into our brokenness, into our sin, into our rebellion. At doon sa cross, hindi lang siya nasaktan. Meron siyang inayos, meron siyang ibinalik, meron siyang ikinonek. He restored something Adam lost. He took back what the enemy tried to own. So this week, huwag mo lang alalahanin ng holiday. Intindihin natin kung ano ba talaga ang nangyari. Because Holy Week is not about religion. It is about a king who gave up his life to bring you back to his kingdom.